If you get this wrong, you're in the 95% group. Let's see if you can escape it. Here's the problem. 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, all divided by 2. Your options are 9, 36, 4, or 1. Lock in your guess. Most people panic when they see a fraction bar, but remember this, the fraction bar is a giant parenthesis. So solve the entire top first. 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Here's where people lose it. Division and multiplication share priority, so you go left to right. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. Now it becomes 18 divided by 2 equals 9. The correct answer is 9. Most people miss it because they break the left to right rule. Want more breakdowns that finally make math make sense? Watch the full lessons on the Mathalgo channel.